What will you have for breakfast, Abu Bakr?
I am not sure as I am not hungry, Mom.
Hum, is everything all right?
Don't worry, I am perfectly fine. It's just that I am not feeling to eat anything.
What's the matter?
Maybe because I overate last night.
I understand, but it's not a good idea to skip breakfast. At least consider eating something light.
Okay, what would that be?
If you wish, I can get some bread and butter with milk or maybe some toast and butter with milk.
No, Mom, that would be too heavy for me. I would not be able to eat it. I would rather prefer a glass of milk.
Perfect. Do you want me to add chocolate powder in it?
Oh yes, I would love that. But will it take a lot of time?
I am getting it right away. Meanwhile, you can dress up.
Mom, I am not finding my school uniform. Please, can you help me?
You will find it in the closet next to your bed.
Got it. Thanks.
Okay, here's your milk. Hurry up. Your school bus will be arriving at the gate in next 10 minutes.
Yes. This is so yummy. Thanks, Mom.
I am happy. Finally, you are feeling to have something.
Bye, Mom. See you in the evening.
Hold on for a second. Take your lunch box.
Oh, I totally forgot about it. What's in it today?
Your favorite aloo paratha, fries, chips, and an apple.
Wow, Mom, that's amazing. Thank you.
What about your report card? When do you need to return it?
Oh my goodness, thanks for reminding me. I totally forgot it. In fact, today is the last date to return it.
No problem. Get it here, I will sign it.
Take this.
Abu Bakr, you got to go now. Your school bus has arrived.
I am going. Bye, Mom.
Bye, son. Take care.
So, Monica, a minute ago we were talking about Tai Chi and about how it helps longevity, helps you live a long life. One time when I was in Bangkok, I met a guy and he was doing Tai Chi and he looked really young, but he said the secret to his old life, he said the secret to looking young, was Tai Chi and cold showers. He took a cold shower every morning.
Oh, wow.
Could you do that?
No, I don't think I could actually.
Yeah, I actually tried it for a while and I tried it for about a week and I did feel so energized and it was easy in Bangkok. 'Cause it's really warm, but I couldn't keep it up, especially not that I'm in the cold climate. There's no way.
Yeah, I remember when I was young, my mother used to teach me to splash my face with cold water in the morning because she believed that helped wake you up. And I remember as a child not liking that at all because I found it too cold. I preferred to splash my face with warm water.
So, have you heard about any other secrets to having a long life?
Yeah, I have heard of quite a few different secrets to having a long life. I guess one secret that a lot of different cultural groups seem to share is diet. If you take the Japanese as an example, and Japanese people do have a long life expectancy in comparison to other people from other countries. I think the Japanese eat a diet that's quite low in fat and reasonably low in salt as well. And I think their fluid intake is quite healthy because they drink a lot of green tea, which has antioxidants in it. And they drink a lot of miso soup, which has a lot of vegetables in it, and is made from fermented barley, so I think that's very healthy.
I have also heard that people in the Mediterranean, they also often have a long lifespan in certain regions, and maybe the combination of wine, just a little wine, not too much, but wine and olive oil, and then a lot of fish, seafood is also maybe beneficial to a long life.
Yeah, that's true. I have heard French people, for example, live a long life, and that has often been said due to a glass of red wine a day. And I know people think differently about alcohol and its effect on the body these days.
Right.
Yeah, because alcohol used to be considered quite a bad thing and discouraged in all forms, but now people tend to think that a glass a day is actually quite beneficial to your health.
I have also actually heard that people that laugh a lot tend to live longer.
Yeah, I have heard that too, actually, because laughing releases natural endorphins, and I think that helps you physiologically, and also I think psychologically you are happier if laughing so. Yeah, I think that long life is related to how you are feeling, and I think a lot of it is psychological as well as physical. For example, how much you are eating and what types of food you are eating.
Yeah, I guess I am kind of in the same boat, but I just don't know if I laugh that much. Maybe I am in trouble. Okay, Simon, I was wondering, you have a newborn son, and before you know it, he will probably be 10 years old, 12 years old, and I wonder if his life will a lot different than it was for us when we were 10 or 12. Like, for example, education. Do you remember what school was like when you were 12?
Yeah, sure I do. I think his education will be the same as mine. I don't think, like I had a classroom with maybe 15 or 20 students in it. He will probably have a classroom with 15 or 20 students in it. Of course, there will be a lot more technology in his classroom. I mean, I remember my first computer had green and white, green and black screen. He will probably have three-dimensional shapes with his computer screen.
That will be amazing. What about sports? Do you think sports will be the same? That he will play pickup games with his friends and go to the park and play soccer, whatever.
Sure. The only difference is, for example, I played soccer when I was young. I played on grass. He will probably play on artificial turf on the top of a building somewhere.
Right. Actually, that kind of worried me about kids today. They don't play sports as freely as they did, when I was 12. 'Cause when I was 12, we would always play pick-up basketball games or pick-up baseball games. I don't know if kids do that so much anymore.
I think they probably do.
You think so? Okay. Well, what about entertainment?
I think some things never change, so when he is 12 years old he will do exactly what I don't want him to do, which is exactly what I did, so those things might be different, like I would probably hang out with my friends and go skateboarding. He will probably have a jet board instead.
A jet board. Right.
Well, who knows? I don't know, but something new.
Right. Right. Okay, that's cool. Anything else you think might be different for your son, especially when your son is 30, in his 30s like you?
Yeah, but I guess technology. I think technology and overpopulation, so he will probably see a lot less natural sights or would not be able to experience nature as I did. I mean, even now I don't see as much nature as I did 20 years ago.
Right. Yeah, it's kind of a sad thing. Okay, anyway, thanks a lot, Simon.
Yeah, no problem.